to all my friends out there. And so this is my pork roast, and you might have been thinking, wow, you know, that is just too simple. Well, it's good. I've been doing this for years. And then a little barbecue sauce. And then, you know, I bought some instant potatoes, some frozen vegetables, and I'm going to be doing some of these. Let me give you the recipe one more time for the bread. And what I do is I mix all the ingredients except the flour. For the buttermilk, I use 1 1/4 cup buttermilk and 1 tablespoon or 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar to make the buttermilk, and I add the flour little by little, and I knead it a little bit. Okay, so I don't know if it shows, but this is the most tender pork made this way, baked. It's got a nice little, I'll taste it. That is good. There's my raisin bread. And I bought these potatoes. I think I'll buy 4 of these for the food storage for a month. And then the frozen vegetables I bought for $1. 1/16 teaspoon ground cinnamon. And I always say every teaspoon except 1/16. And this is mint tea. This mint tea makes the most delicious ever iced tea. If there's any left, I just save it. And you know, I save it in the refrigerator. And this raisin bread doesn't even need butter, but if you wanted to put a little butter and honey on your raisin bread, that'd be good too. So, okay, let's go over here so I can show them. Okay, so what I did is this pork had a thick fat layer, so I didn't put any. I put a little oil and some barbecue seasoning, and I just covered it and baked it at 350. So, okay, back over here. So this is a really cheap dinner, and God bless you all.